Hello friends, in today's video, we will learn how to add a subject and match it best with the background in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Here is our background and here is the subject. Click on the layer to unlock it. Now, from the toolbar, choose any of the selection tool to cut out the subject. Once the selection is made, click on Select and Mask. Refine the areas which you want to select. When done, click on Object Aware and then in the Output settings, check the Decontaminate colors. Hit OK. Once the process is done, right-click to convert it into a smart object. Now go to Edit, Copy and paste it in the document. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it. Now, let's match our subject to the background. Right-click and select Rasterize Layer. Go to Image, Adjustments and choose Match Color. Here, change the source to your background document name. Click on Neutralize. Change the color intensity and luminance as per your image and hit OK. Now, go to the adjustment layer and choose Curves. Limit it to the subject layer by clicking on this icon. Adjust the curves as per your requirement and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.